Top 3 Cathie Wood's ETFs to buy on the dip. Renowned investor Cathie Wood is the founder and CEO of the world's largest actively traded ETF management company, ARK Investment Management LLC. ARK's ETFs have been some of the best performing ETFs in 2020, driven by Wood's bets on disruptive innovation in the burgeoning electric vehicles (EV) and biotech industries. However, investors' current focus on outdoor stocks that are benefiting from surging reflation trades has caused Wood's ETFs to decline over the past couple of months. Nevertheless, we think Wood's strategic investment bets on companies with explosive growth potential are likely to reap substantial returns long-term. Therefore, we expect currently sagging ETFs ARK Innovation ETF (ARKK), ARK Next Generation Internet ETF (ARKW), and ARK Fintech Innovation ETF (ARKF) to deliver solid returns over the long run. ARK Innovation ETF (ARKK). In pursuit of long-term capital growth, ARKK invests primarily in domestic and foreign equity securities of companies that are relevant to the fund's investment theme of disruptive innovation. Its investments in foreign equity securities can be in developed and emerging markets. ARKK has $22.13 billion in assets under management. The ETF's major holdings include Tesla, TSLA, Roku, and Teladoc Health, TDOC. ARKK has a 0.75% expense ratio, which is higher than 0.52% category average. It also has a BBB MSCI ESG fund rating. The ETF distributes $2.04 in dividends annually, which translates to a 1.73%. Its 4-year average dividend yield is 1.24%. The ETF's net inflows have totaled $134.09 million over the past month. However, the fund has lost 6.5% year to date. But it is currently trading at $117.46, which is 26.4% below its 52-week high of $159.70. The ETF has gained 43.8% over the past year and 13.2% over the past 9 months. Of the 113 ETFs in the A-rated Technology Equities ETFs group, ARKK is ranked number 72 in our ratings system. ARK Next Generation Internet ETF (ARKW). ARKW seeks to benefit from shifting the bases of technology infrastructure from hardware and software to the cloud, enabling mobile and local services. The fund invests at least 80% of its assets primarily in domestic and foreign equity securities of companies that are relevant to the fund's investment theme of next-generation Internet. ARKW has $5.76 billion in assets under management. The ETF's major holdings include Tesla, TSLA, Twitter, TWTR, and Shopify, Inc. Shop. ARKW has a 0.79% expense ratio, which is higher than the 0.37% category average. It also has a BBB MSCI ESG fund rating. The ETF distributes $1.89 in dividends annually, which translates to a 1.32% dividend yield. Its 4-year average dividend yield is 3.4%. The ETF's net inflows amounted to $146.76 million over the past month. ARKW has declined 3.7% year to date and is currently trading at $140.73, which is 26.4% lower than its 52-week high of $191.13. The ETF has gained 48.9% over the past year and 18.3% over the past 9 months. The ETF is ranked number 73 in the Technology Equities ETFs group. ARK Fintech Innovation ETF (ARKF). ARKF aims to pick the winners in financial technology, such as blockchain, transaction innovation, and customer platforms. The fund invests at least 80% of its assets in domestic and foreign equity securities of companies within this theme. ARKF has $3.81 billion in assets under management. The ETF's major holdings include Square, SQ, Shopify, Inc. Shop, and PayPal Holdings, PYPL. ARKF has a 0.75% expense ratio, which is higher than the 0.37% category average. It also has a BBB MSCI ESG fund rating. The ETF distributes 19 cents in dividends annually, which translates to a 0.36% dividend yield. Its 4-year average dividend yield is 0.08%. The ETF's net inflows amounted to $34.75 million over the past month. ARKF is currently trading at $51.12, which is 20.7% below its 52-week high of $64.49. The ETF has gained 50% over the past year and 19.6% over the past 9 months. It has declined 6.4% over the past 6 months. ARKF is ranked number 74 in the Technology Equities ETFs group. ARKK shares were trading at $116.48 per share on Friday afternoon, up 8 cents, plus 0.07%. Year-to-date, ARKK has declined -6.43% versus a 16.16% rise in the benchmark S&P 500 index during the same period. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support. For more daily news, please subscribe to our channel. This is Economics Empire, and we'll see you in the next one.